If your idea of investment is a basic black Birkin, you're definitely onto something. Let's dive into the wild economics of these iconic bags. Here's the scoop. You snag a basic black leather Birkin, 25 from Hermes, for $11,400 before tax. Walk out the door and flip it to a reseller like Privé Porter for $23,000. Yep, you just made over 11 grand in minutes. Priv Porter then resells it for up to $32,000. All this for a bag that costs Hermes about $1,000 to make. But wait, getting one isn't a walk in the park. At the Hermes boutique, it's the buyers who grovel. Imagine offering Beyoncé tickets or private jet trips just to get a sales assistant's favor. At the pre-spend, expect to drop $10K or more on Hermes goodies before even being considered for a Birkin. Want a rare one like the Himalaya? That's $200K in spending. Even then, you might not get the exact bag you want. This fuels the reseller market, despite Hermes' attempts to curb it. So why the Birkin craze? Some say it's a great investment. But after all the hoops you jump through, is it really? Drop your thoughts below.